Welcome to Market Wave. Before we get started, just wanted to kind of provide quick disclaimer that this information that we are going to provide is truly for educational perspective. There is no financial advice here, so please do make sure that you do your own research before you take any consideration of information that you'll be provided here. So first thing first, let's talk about the economic calendar. Few things that we need to watch this week is the PMI data is coming up on Monday, and then we have consumer confidence on Tuesdays. We have GDP coming on Thursday, and we have PCE data is coming on Friday. That's a pretty good information for us to keep an eye on it for this week. Earning calendar perspective, we don't see much about it this week. Is Oklo Monday after close. We have GameStop. We have Chewy and Dollar Tree on Wednesday before open. We have Lululemon on after close on Thursday, but not big. Just few of the companies that I will be watching for earning aspect of it. Let's look into the charts. SPX, as you can see from Friday third week, we went to all the way to the top 6146, and we from that we've been going down on to 5500. So that is quite a big drop, as you can see, somewhere around $600+ drop towards that. Now from that we ended up going a little bit to 5600. It's been holding 5600 from quite many days. So 1 2 3 4 5. So last week was kind of didn't get chance to go deep into the 5600. It's been holding there. Also, I saw pretty good volume on a Friday itself. As you can see, it's quite a huge volume compared to the rest of the other days on a volume. Of course, it's the OPEX day, so we can't confirm. I won't say that we will not go dip in more into bottom or go upside, but what I can see is that as long as SPX can hold 5600 and we can go above 5776, 5800, I would say then we can call the bottom. Until then, we have to continue look into it, the daily price movement, how to trade in the current market. Let's look into the QQQ. QQQ again, same thing. It was all the way to 540 to we looked into the 466, 465 level. Some of the key level that we need to watch into is the 483, 488 level. If those levels will be break, then we will see 500. Again, same thing how I told you, SPX 5773, 5800. Similar thing, 500, 504 area, we have to look into that. Once we reclaim those areas, then we can call that bottom. Until that time, we will continue to see the daily price movement. Again, pretty good candle, as you can see on the Friday pure engulfing candle. I'm hoping that Monday we will see, we'll try to reclaim 483, 485 level. Then it would be pretty good on QQQ. Next, Tesla had a pretty rough few months, I would say. It's been from 490 to all the way to 221. We had a earning gap, we had election gap. Those both are kind of we try to touch those gaps, and here in the we've been holding 220 221 level, so which is good. Below that it's like 209, 200 and 180 level that I've been having in some of those critical major level that I've been watching in for Tesla. But for time being, I see pretty good Tesla RSI. As you can see, it's been started to curling up. Friday was pretty good move that we saw from all the way to 234 to 240, 250 level that we saw, about 250, and if it can start going towards the 262, 278 level, 280, we can tell that Tesla, we can call the bottom. This is the good price to add the stocks, in my opinion. If you like to wait until 180, feel free. I've been adding Tesla on this 220, 250, 230 levels because this is a good price. You will never regret on Tesla. Next thing, Meta. Meta had a quite a move, of course, from 740 to all the way to the now 575. We saw it, but it's been holding 575 for past few days. Friday again, we had a pretty good move, but this stock is like it's a quite a move that you will see on Thursday. We went to all the way to 610 and then it dropped again to 580 levels, which is not a good sign on Meta. However, what I can see is that once Meta crossed the 600 and 610, then we will continue to see upside towards the Meta on towards the 624, 638 level. Next in the list is Nvidia. Nvidia, it's been holding 117, 118 level. Once we cross 117, 118 and try to reclaim 123 level, then we should be seeing 127, 129, 130. Once we see the 140, I'll be very comfortable going heavy on Nvidia. Until then, we will continue to see this range 140 to 117 levels. If on this week, if we don't reclaim 118 and doesn't hold, then we may see 114, 110 area on Nvidia. Next in the list, Apple. Apple has been tricky past few weeks. As we saw, it's quite a drop from 250 earlier on the December. We saw the 260 level, then we dipped into the bottom to somewhere in 219. It held 219, then we went to 250 again, but this time it dropped to all the way to 209 to 205, actually 208 area. Which is not bad for holding the Apple stock. Or if you want to add more Apple stock, it's pretty good. Once we reclaim 219 this week, I would say we can see and continue going towards upside to 227. I would like to see Apple to move back to 37 to 40 level sometime in April. Next in the list is Netflix. Netflix is doing pretty well during this market. It tried to go to all the way to 850 level, then it jumped 100 points to 960, 965 level. It's been and it's unable to break 965 level yet. So once we see 965 level, then we will see 980 and 1000 and 1030 level pretty soon. So I'll keep an eye on Netflix on those. Next in the list is AMD. AMD been very tricky, very tricky. It's been downtrend channel, as you can see from March 7, 2024. We saw very upside. Since then it's been going down, going up, going down, but it's still in downtrend channel. I draw this trend line. Until that trend line is not break, not comfortable trading AMD. If you like to hold the AMD stocks for a long term, definitely it's a good price to add. I saw 95. I've been holding for AMD stock at 120, 130, and 116, 17 areas. So I have added quite a amount of stock on AMD. So this is pretty good. Once we cross 107 and then we can go towards the 116, 117 area, it would be we can continue to see towards the upside on AMD. Next in the list is Palantir. Palantir, quite a good move. After earning, it went down. After earning, it was up, but then due to that, some of those government restriction on the budget aspect, Palantir got a little bit hit. Plus, the market was not moving much. But however, this stock held 78 level pretty good, 78 80 level, and then it was kind of trying to hold 84 level, and on a Friday, I saw pretty good that it went to all the way to 90 level. I was keep eyeing on a 87 level. As you can see that quite many days it was unable to go about 87. So that was my level that I kind of kept an eye on it. On a Friday, it went to 90. So hopefully, um, in next couple of weeks, we will see 100, and then from then on, we won't, in few months we will see again the 125 110 125 level pretty soon on Palantir. But that's about it. Thank you guys again. If you are new to our channel, please like, share, subscribe, and if you like to join our Discord channel, uh, comment on it. We do trade stocks, we do trade options. As you can see, we do trade options every day, uh, stocks as well, quite many stocks that we've been buying. So feel free to let us know if you guys wanted to join this amazing group. Thank you.